Let us now study the concept of Cartesian sign convention. So understanding the concept of Cartesian sign convention will help us to calculate the various distances like focal length, object distance, image distance, height of object and height of image in case of spherical mirrors. So if I talk about Cartesian coordinate, it consists of x and y axis which coincides at the origin. And if I consider any point in the coordinate axis, the distance of that point is always measured with respect to origin. That means origin is considered as a reference point over here. So remember, in Cartesian coordinates having x and y axis, origin is called as a reference point. Every distance is measured with respect to origin. The distance measured to the right hand side of origin is taken as positive. The distance measured to the left hand side of origin is taken as negative, which represents positive x-axis and negative x-axis respectively. The distance measured above the origin, right, above the x-axis is taken as positive. I am talking about positive y coordinate. The distance measured below the origin or below the x-axis is taken as negative, that is negative y coordinate. So now what I will do, I will coincide the pole of a spherical mirror. I will coincide the pole of a spherical mirror with origin of the coordinate axis such that the principal axis of spherical mirror lies on the x-axis. So let's see. So I have taken a concave mirror and the pole of a concave mirror coincides with the origin and the principal axis of this concave mirror lies on the x-axis. Even if I take a convex mirror, you can clearly see that the pole of a convex mirror lies on the origin, that means it coincides with the origin, and the principal axis of this convex mirror lies along the x-axis. Now, in case of coordinate axis, origin is called as a reference point. So in case of Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirror, remember pole is taken as a reference point. That means every distance is measured with respect to pole. So whenever we talk about Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirror, every distance is measured with respect to pole. So the distance measured to the right hand side of pole is positive. The distance measured to the left hand side of pole is negative. The distance measured above the pole or above the principal axis is taken to be positive. The distance measured below the pole or below the principal axis is taken to be negative. So we have to remember that every distance is measured with respect to pole because pole is acting as an origin or a reference point. The distance measured to the right hand side of pole is positive, to the left hand side of pole is negative. The distance measured above the pole, that is above the principal axis, is positive. The distance measured below the pole or below the principal axis is negative. One more important thing I would like to tell you here, the incident ray should always be traveling from left to right. This is the standard ray. That means whenever we talk about object which is kept in front of a mirror, object should always be kept to the left hand side of the mirror such that the incident rays coming from the object should be traveling from left to right. This is the standard incident ray. So whenever we talk about sign convention, the incident ray should always be traveling from left to right. Now in the next section I will separately draw the convex and concave mirror on which I can clearly explain the values of focal length, object distance and image distance.